Okay, now we're going to try it with a 3/8 inch sheet, which would protect right down here on the board. So this is the industrial grade material, and we're going to see what 100,000 pounds does to it. Totally running over it. Just to give you an idea, there's the truck. Difference in sizes of equipment. Now see what the results are. As soon as it's safe. Well, 100,000 pounds didn't hardly scuff the material.
Yeah, I think that's the way to go right here. It'll keep this from happening.
Right.
The initial weight of the machine.
Right.
And then once the weight starts to distribute over it, you'd be off of this guy and down on your deck, you'd probably be pretty good shape.
Mm-hmm. What do you think about the way that the sheet handled the weight? I mean, to me it looks like there isn't even an impression in it.
There's no marks on the backside. There's a little bit of one where the grouser first set down on it.
Uh-huh.
But as the weight goes, they go away.
Wow. So literally you could put it down, you could also flip it over, and you can rotate it a couple times and preserve and extend the life.
If you get too beat up, you didn't like it, you could flip it over and chew up the other side for a little while.
Yeah, and it saves all that decking.
Yep.
Good, thanks.